Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to add simple unarmed state into side-scroller shooter kit. And here we are. This is clean project on 4.26 version of the engine. Before I started this video, I added one thing, which was the sprinting animation unarmed, which is what we're going to use. Sprint forward unarmed. Here it is. I took it from advanced locomotion system, which is free on Unreal Marketplace. We need something for run, idle, and walk, so it is easier just to add a feature pack, feature or content pack, and third person, yeah, there it is. So it has these animations. Okay, so let's create a new level, empty level. Here we are. Let's make some space. Okay, here we are, we have the game. Okay, so first what you should do is add the input change for this hiding weapon. I actually did that before the video, I forgot, but I'll show you how to do it. Just input action mappings, click plus, hide weapon, and press H, for example, whichever key you want. I choose H for keyboard, and that's about it. And now let's go to player blueprint. So that would be blueprints side scroller character. Alright, input, let's go maybe to weapon change graph, and let's do it there. Okay, for example here we added, what was that, hide weapon event. Okay, that's great, and let's make a variable that will indicate if the weapon is hidden or not, if the weapon is equipped or not, something like that. Okay, so new variable, weapon equipped, let's call it. Alright, so by the way, this is a shortcut, maybe I'll show this again. One getter and one setter for this variable. Okay, let's add a branch, and that if weapon is equipped, we want to unequip it, which is set it to false, and if it's unequipped, we want to equip it. Simple as that. Okay, and what else we need? We want to hide the weapon, of course. These are the variables for the weapon. Not sure if we have current hide show. We have hide show here, already a function for it. So as you can see, we can use that. For example, and what else? Update current weapon. Yeah, that will be that. Oops, that function will be useful also. So I will call it update current weapon. Do we have like, oops, get current weapon. I haven't done this before, but so I'm a little blind, but it should be default weapon, and of course that's supposed to be okay. Doesn't matter now. If we want to hide weapon, we want to of course hide all the weapons. Weapon equipped, and I'm adding another pin, which is, these are models for the weapons, which is authoritative pistol silence, and I'm getting a shotgun also. Okay, so actors to hide, there it is. I hope it will work. And then you want to actually That's, oh yeah, that's what I was looking for, current weapon. And because what I'm thinking, wait a second, we can do it better. It's current weapon, and let's do set visibility. Oh, basically I can double click here. Yeah, that was the whoops. Whoa. Okay. Set visibility. And I think, let me check what was here. Yeah, that's just a loop. Well, I don't think so. We need the loop. So let's go select. And let's connect current weapon to select. And that's much easier, isn't it? Pistol, assault, shotgun, pistol silenced. So we can only hide the current one. There we go. Oops, there we go. And actually, now we are setting this back, which is use visibility to true, and basically can use the same same logic. Whoa. Okay, actually that should work already, should do the job. And let's compile and check it in game. Lock this, close this. Okay, I'm pressing H. There you go. It hides. Great. What happened? Weapon equipped, of course, by default it is true, because now weapon is equipped from start. I can show you later how to unequip, how to start game without, without weapon equipped. That's fairly easy. Okay, I'm pressing H, as you can see, and weapon hides. Of course, there needs to be some animation update and so on and so forth. So, but that's the start. What else we need? Okay, weapon equipped. Let me close this, comment, hiding weapon. Of course, we have to block shooting if we don't have weapon, right? So I'm looking for shooting graph, opening new tab, and basically we have to add a condition here. Branch weapon equipped. If it's equipped, go further. It's not, don't do anything. You can add something else here, for example, some melee attack or something like that. Same I'll do for a release of the shooting key. Okay. All right. What else we need? And that's a lot already. But of course, so we can shoot. Hide weapon. I can't shoot now. I think the crosshair also should be hidden. But as you can see, the problem also is when I switch the weapon. So let's tackle this, and I will use the same logic. Weapon equipped. Weapon, go to weapon change. Actually, switch weapon input open. Actually, you could use that. But that might not work every time, so let's go to at end. So if switch weapon input open is true and get weapon equipped, and when weapon is equipped, do this stuff, then you can change weapon. Actually, we can use this for both, for previous weapon, next weapon, same thing. Alright, let's test this stuff. Okay, I'm shooting, okay, switch weapon, hiding weapon. I can't change weapon, I can't shoot. Right, I can aim, I can work around with everything, but I can't change weapon. Let's hide the crosshair. Okay, I think there was function already for this. crosshair, hide crosshair. There you go. Hide crosshair and show crosshair. There you go. Okay. And hiding weapon, now crosshair. There you go. Okay, let's tackle the animations now. So I imported some animations from the template. Let me. Of course, I don't see anything. Mannequin animations. Okay. Okay, for some reason. For some reason, nothing is visible when I imported the feature pack. Okay, let's check animation sequence, whole project, idle. Huh. Okay, it looks like it didn't import. Unless I'm missing something. Let's try again. Add feature contact pack, third person, add to project. Okay. Mannequin animations. For some reason it didn't import anything. Maybe I have to. Oh, okay. Maybe I have to restart the project. Not sure if there's an option. There's an option restart. No. And so I have to reopen this. I won't save. Bear with me. Okay. Whoops. And let's go 2 seconds. Let's go to other projects, tutorial. I'm reopening this on second screen. I'm still here. So that's unusual that you either I added a feature pack and for some reason it didn't add all assets. Okay. Okay, let's check again. You see, it is here. So it didn't refresh or something like that. Alright, so these are the 3 animations from third person template. We have idle, run, and walk. As you can see, it is for different skeleton now. And that's not the issue because we had the same skeleton, the mannequin. Okay, so I'm taking all 3 of them, idle, run, and walk. Right click, copy for another skeleton. Show only compatible skeletons off. And there should be a mannequin set UI for the mannequin skeleton under game subscriber mannequin mesh, which is the mannequin from side scroller. I will change the folder to side scroller mannequin animations. Okay, my target. There you go. Okay, now let's go to viewport. For example, animations. Damn it, what was the name? Okay, there we go. Idle, run, and walk. Okay, we have this blend space. We have blend space for this already. So, whoops, come on. Right, yeah. So I think we can you know, we can already copy the blend space and use the same and just swaps the assets. I don't remember the name. Well, at least it was in the blend space. It's been a while since I looked at it. Okay, I open the ABP mannequin. Oh, not even graph. Let's go to Locomotion. Idle. Oh, okay. Idle, run backwards. we don't have run backwards for unarmed state. I don't have this kind of animation, but you can. This tutorial will show you how to get this done when you have animation, of course, how to replace it. Looks like I didn't use blend space even, so that's quite great. And okay, what do we have? Idle. All right, so let's look for idle. Third person idle. There it is. That's our animation. And I think I have a variable here to get player character reference. From this we can get weapon equipped, right? And I will add node blend by bool, and for true pose, which is weapon equipped, will be rifle iron sights. Actually, do we want this way? Thinking I have a better idea. Maybe we could go to anim graph. We have all this stuff here. We have the aiming right here, and the IK and the aim offsets. Actually, we don't need that. I'm thinking we could cut this from here, and no, we need locomotion actually. Okay, so I'm pasting it here. I will copy and paste it here again, just in case. And so after aiming, there will be if weapon is equipped, the aiming logic makes sense. If it's not equipped, use locomotion, which is cached pose, which is essentially the state machine. Okay, so I'm going to idle, and and dragging idle animation, and we're doing very similar thing, which is when it's equipped, do iron sights, and which is not, where is not. Actually, I will rename this animation. I mean, add that unarmed. Okay, that will be easier. And compile. So as you can see, it is by default, since there's no reference yet for the player. It is already in unarmed state. We can change this. Can we change this here? No, I can change it here. You would like to, if you like to just preview this, you would have to add another variable here, and based on this variable from animation blueprint, change it in preview, and just to preview the pose. Okay, fair enough. And what else we need? Okay, so that's for idle, and actually we can check this already. Oh, okay, new level. Let me check. Okay, so we are equipped. Oh, there you go. It's already working. Of course, not for running. We didn't change anything yet, but as you can see, that's the idea. I'm equipping this, and equipping and hiding weapon on H. Oh, there you go. Idle blend pose by bool. Okay, actually, we can't do it this way because the player is not valid yet. Okay, so we actually need a variable here in animation blueprint. That's not a problem. That's very easy. Okay, weapon equipped. There you go. Compile. By default it would be true, let's say. Now we'll just replace this. We'll set this from the player blueprint. Add anim graph. There you go, the same. Okay, there you go. And now you can play with this. default weapon equipped. You see, you can have a preview if you have a variable here. Of course, the preview actor needs to be selected. Okay, let's go back to player. Let's go to weapon change. There should be already variable get anim bp. Yeah, so this is animation blueprint already stored. And so we don't have to cast. Set weapon equipped. So now I'm changing the variable on animation blueprint directly. All right. Okay, there you go. Adding weapon. No errors. Great. So we have some start. That's idle. Oh, sorry about that. That's idle. Let's go back to locomotion. Run backwards where we need. Where is run forward? And okay, and now I remember how I did it. Okay, because the run backwards and forward actually changes depending of your orientation. Okay, so not here. So run backwards anim. Let's actually go and check where it's set it, because that might be easier to do it here. Okay, player facing right. Okay. Okay, so I hope this is self-explanatory. Okay, so with changing the animation based on orientation, as I said. So this is we will tackle only this anim for now, because I don't have backward anim and crouch walk backward without weapon and crouch walk forward without weapon, but I'll show you how to change run forward, and you can do the same for, if you have the animations, you can do the same for all of them. So how to do this? Let me copy this. The easiest would be, for example, do select and get weapon equipped, connect it to select, and if it's equipped, use this animation, which is run forward. Let me go to console browser, get it, which is true, there we go, and false, unarmed. Oh, no, that was run. Damn it, I didn't change this. Third person run. Let me change that. Unarmed. Let me change the name. That will be much easier. Third person run unarmed. Okay. So similar thing when player is facing left. So when it's facing left, now the run forward is like replaced with run backwards, as you can see, run BLW. So we do the same thing. Thinking actually we can use the same. You don't have to copy even this. Okay, hopefully it will work. Okay, hiding weapon. Yeah, it's working. For some reason, I don't know why the crosshair didn't. Because crosshair is like invisible when I move the mouse. We'll fix it later. Okay, and what I want to show you also, it is sprinting, because we have already animation for sprint, but this will be the same. Like, I will just copy the logic, weapon equipped, bend by boom, run forward. sorry, sprint forward, sprint. Same idea. What was the name? Sprint for, yeah, sprint forward unarmed. I will add the same sync group, so to match the legs better, run sync group, same as here. There you go. Do we need something else? No, I don't think so. Okay, so unarmed, well, other way around. If it's armed, this one. If it's false, which is unarmed, this one. Okay, let me make this level bigger. Okay, so we have sprinting with weapon, hiding a weapon. Oh, and this sprinting is not very it's not very different. So let me just, for the sake of, you know, show to see the difference. Oh, really, damn it, that broke animation. I'm just increasing the play rate just to see the difference between the animations. Okay, hide weapon. Oh my god, actually the syncing didn't work. Let me check, maybe I was doing this wrong. Let me go back to player 1 and disable the syncing. The syncing is probably this animation, which is from different back, don't match the foot planting, so no wonder it might not work. Of course, when you will have your own set, it needs to matching character. Oh, actually it's weird. I don't know what he's doing with his hands. Let me check what's going on here. Okay, so I'll pause the game. I think something is overridden this. Okay. So unarmed place. Let me debug this. Blend from sprint pose. Okay. Oh, okay. Where we have a sprint pose? Oh, okay, sprint pose. Oh, okay. Now I see. So similar for aiming, we need to change. We need to add same thing for sprinting, because I added additional IK hands, IK offset to match better the position for the weapon. So no problem at all. So weapon equipped. Copy this. Go here. Just sprint pose. It is sprinting, blue thing. Whoa. Like that. So if it's weapon equipped, it will use this logic, and if not, it will use Locomotion. Hiding weapon. Yeah, it looks a little different. Now we can actually use go back. We can use the sync group. So the arms were for a different reason, and I will increase the play rate to see better the difference between sprinting and running. Okay, hide weapon. There you go. If you want, you can get sprint forward, open sprint forward idle, and actually, whoops, take the notifiers that are here. So the noise will be triggered, and the sounds, stuff like that. So you can, whoops, let me do it again. Why you can select, oh, there you go. Right click and copy, open unarmed, paste relative, I think. Yeah, so I guess this needs to be sooner. You get the drill. Oh, this is, yeah, so he has different, yeah, this animation is actually shorter from what I see. So it has only 2 steps. There you go. Okay, so that's how you can change animations for everything pretty much, just by adding multiple bubble and weapon equipped. And I will show them. Let's fix this one more thing, which is the crosshair. I'm not sure what this happens. Let me hide the weapon. I think it happens when I change the, okay, when I change the orientation, the crosshair showed up. Actually, let's fix that. I think that was in turning. Turn body into depth aiming, no. Input axis turn, no. Mouse input. No, not up down, left right. I don't remember that. Oh, actually, it's not here. Is this needed? Okay. Check mouse movement. Okay. Let's look for screen. No, that will be too much. I don't remember. DPI, something like that. Oh my god. Screen size. Remember, I used the node, something like get viewport size. There you go. Oh, there you go. Aiming update logic. That was the name of the graph. Okay, and here is the turning left right logic. I'm not sure. This reset facing right. I'm not sure why it's showing up. Get turn right, rotate. Not sure why it's showing up this this crosshair. That's interesting. Okay, but we can. I'll show you how to debug this. Okay, hide crosshair. Okay. Set visibility, crosshair billboard, crosshair widget. Let's look for it. Oh, it's only here. That's interesting. Okay. I think I have an idea how to fix it. Let's go and add a breakpoint here. Not yet. I'll hide weapon. Let's add a breakpoint here on F9. There you go. So somewhere else it was called to show crosshair, and we can prevent it from doing by adding another check here. For example, when because we are in different graphs. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll add another branch. So if player is dead, now get weapon equipped. So it will never be visible when weapon is unequipped. Probably it was triggered somewhere else. There was some check, but that's Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Sorry about that. Sprinting and vault. Oh, I'm dumb. Sorry. I'm just fucking. Of course, it needs to be here. Probably because the sprinting finish logic was used on turning or something like that. No problem at all. Let's test it again. Hide it. There you go. Okay, and I think I'll show you two more things. And one is the HUD. How to hide this icon or something like that. And how to start game without weapon. Alright, so that's should be fairly obvious. And in player, I'll show the second one first. So in event graph, open new tab. Where we can do this at the end. Whatever. So basically, what we can do, we can add new variable, which will be start with weapon equipped. There we go, and I'll expose it. Compile. Based on that, if player wants to, user, if you want to start with weapon equipped, do nothing. If false, we do add a custom event or function that will trigger that. So let's go to weapon change. Add a custom event. There you go. Hide weapon. Hopefully that's fine if there's like two events with the same name. Okay, let's go back to event graph. Start with weapon equipped. No, then hide weapon. There you go. Okay, and by default I will set it to true. Oh, we don't have player here, so let me add player here. There you go. And auto possess enabled. There it is. So we start with this player now. And yep, there you go. So we can select it and start with weapon equipped. Set to false. There you go. So we started the game with weapon without the weapon. And what else? The HUD. So it is it safe? Let me save this. It is WB HUD. I think that's the name of the. Oh, there you go. We have this weapon icon. So let's say it won't be hidden when weapon is unequipped. Let me think how to do it quickly. Pistol silence icon. Maybe the whole depends how you want to do it, but when the weapon is hidden, let's get HUD widget, game HUD widget. Let's get it's called weapon icon, which was pistol icon. Get copy this and I will assault rifle icon, and shotgun icon, and pistol silence icon. All right, we can change the visibility on this, on them. So visibility, I think, yeah. Hidden, that's great for you know, for showing this again. Of course, we can't show all four you know, for weapons, and so we need to update HUD. I'm thinking, what's the fastest way to do it? Fastest way would be update current weapon, I think. Use this function because it's already doing this stuff. Somewhere along the line, update current weapon. Okay, let's check. Okay, it doesn't work. Great. Probably the visibility is binded to something. Brush. Don't remember that actually. It's been a while. Current weapon info, visibility. Oh, okay. Actually, I can do it here. Current weapon info. Hide all weapon icons. And then show them. Okay. Not sure when this is triggered. Okay. Okay. Let me check. That's weird. Where is this binded? I'm not sure if it's like maybe it's working every tick, something like that. And so we can, oh, of course, by checking the current weapon, but we can get weapon equipped here. Okay. And add a branch here. So unhide them based on if it's weapon equipped. Okay. I'm not sure if we need, do we need that? Probably. Let's see. Oh, okay. There you go. It's working already. So we are without weapon. So there's no icon. There you go. Weapon in hand. Oh, it's already working. But there is this numbers of amount of ammo icon. Let's tackle this. That was like infinity symbol or something like that. Let's look for that. Whoa. Oh, sorry about that. Symbol infinity visibility. Visible. I'm thinking, where is, okay, what would be the fastest way? Symbol infinity update, update ammo text. Oh, okay. So for sure, easiest would be same like before, get player. I think there is character BP. Add get weapon equipped. Okay. If it's a weapon equipped, do what it's supposed to do. If it's not, set hidden. Don't remember the It's text, but I'm looking for the, you know, I'm looking for the amount of ammo. I don't remember the name of it. Ammo text, what it is. I guess this is the thing. So I'll just take this. Maybe the visibility is already attached here. Accessibility, visibility. It's not binded. We could bind it very quickly, but it's not variable actually. Gameplay HUD. Ammo. Okay, I think I remember what we're doing. Okay, hold panel. I'm stupid. Okay, of course. The return value. Of course. The return value, because it's it's assigned to the value itself, right? So it's basically, it's not hidden, it's just blank space. So let's get player again. Let's get player. Get weapon equipped. Actually, you can do everything based on this one variable nowadays. Okay, if it's not equipped, do this. If it's equipped, do this. Let's check. Okay, there you go. We have empty. You know, there's no icon for weapon, so I'm pressing H. There you go. There you go. Hiding weapon on the spot. Running around. Hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you somehow. And thank you for watching and good luck.